Hi my people, how are we doing? We are good. So guys, please and please, I'm begging you guys, help me share my video. Please help me share it and always engage on my posts. Please, if today is your first time seeing my video, please guys, help me share, like, comment and follow if you have not followed, please. So this tutorial is very simple, very simple. This is how I'm going to tie. So that place now, I will tie it, then retie again. So I'm stretching the Ankara at the front. So I will tie it again. Then this remaining one at the front now, this long one that I'm holding, you spread it up. So what you're going to do now, you can see how I'm folding it from the up. So I'm trying to adjust that place. So that one now, you're going to do what? You're going to just pick it like this. Then this hand I'm holding the hand that I took to the back, you're going to suck it inside. You suck it at the back. So this remaining one, the remaining hand, we adjust it to our own satisfaction, the way you want it to be, how you want it to be up. Do you want it to go high more than this? So how do you want it, as in the way you want your own to be? So you do it to your own satisfaction. So guys, like this one now, I will do same thing I did for the first hand. So we're going to suck it at the back again. So you can see guys, it's very simple to craft. Very simple. You want to go to occasion and you're having your scarf, you're having your Ankara gele with you. You don't need to wait for anybody to come and help you to tie it. So you can just do this simple style yourself. You do it very easy to understand. You can see. So like this now, we are done guys. We are done. So it's now left on you how you want the front to be. If you still want it to go down, you can still do what? Adjust this. You can still adjust. So this is the back. So guys, you can see now, very simple. So guys, please and don't forget to share. See you in my next video. I love you. Bye.